Welcome. Let's do this in a minute. We have 8 minus 15 in the mode of 3 to evaluate. So let's perform the subtraction. 8 minus 15 will give you negative 7 in the mode of 3. Now, the best way or one of the ways to get it is to keep on adding the negative number to the modulo until we get what? A positive answer, meaning I should be having negative 7 plus 3. Then the answer I'll get, this is going to be negative 4. Then negative 4 will now be added to the base, the mode. And if you add, you get negative 1. The negative 1 will now be added to the mode, and that will give you 2. That simply means that from here, our answer will be 2 in the mode of what? 3. You can check my playlist. There is another way we can get the answer. I treat that one also in a playlist. Check it out and solve it and share in the comment section.